CanSino, Moderna, Novavax, a list of COVID vaccines under clinical trials across the world. Part 2. At least 129 COVID-19 vaccines are in the preclinical stage, while 18 are currently being tested on human volunteers. We brings you a list of all the vaccine candidates currently undergoing clinical trials around the world. SARS CoV-2 RS by Novavax. The SARS CoV-2 RS, developed by US-based vaccine development company Novavax, is undergoing simultaneous Phase 1 and Phase 2 trials in Australia. The full-length recombinant SARS-CoV-2 glycoprotein nanoparticle vaccine involves selecting a part of the genetic sequence of the virus that produces antigens, in this case the spike protein. This sequence is then introduced in baculoviruses, pathogens that attack insects. These modified baculoviruses are then made to infect insect cell culture, so that the cells can produce proteins that are similar in structure to the viral antigens. These proteins are purified and converted into particles similar to that of the novel coronavirus. This tricks the immune system to produce antibodies against the coronavirus. The vaccine is administered with matrix M, which increases the neutralizing antibodies and induces long-lasting B cells, a type of white blood cell that enhances immunity. BNT16201 by BioNTech and Pfizer. The BNT16201 vaccine candidate, developed by BioNTech RNA Pharmaceuticals, Shanghai Fosun Pharmaceutical and Pfizer, is undergoing simultaneous Phase 1 and Phase 2 trials in Europe. This too is an mRNA vaccine, similar to the vaccine technology used by Moderna. Vaccine by Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences. Another inactivated SARS-CoV-2 vaccine developed by the Institute of Medical Biology, Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences, is undergoing Phase 1 trial in China. This vaccine is currently being tried in 3 different dosages in different groups of study participants. GX19 by GenXine Consortium. The vaccine candidate, GX19, has been developed by a consortium consisting of GenXine, Binex, International Vaccine Institute, GenBio, the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST, and the Pohang University of Science and Technology, POSTECH. Undergoing Phase 1 clinical trial in South Korea. GX19 is a DNA vaccine with a mechanism similar to INOVIO'S vaccine candidate, GAM-COVID-VAC Leo by GAMALEYA Research Institute. Undergoing Phase 1 trials in Russia. The GAM-COVID-VAC Leo developed at the GAMALEYA Research Institute in Russia is an adenovirus vaccine similar to the CanSino SCB2019 by Clover, GlaxoSmithKline, Dynavax. The SCB2019 vaccine candidate, developed by Shanghai-based Clover Biopharmaceuticals, UK-based GlaxoSmithKline and US-based Dynavax Technologies, is under Phase 1 clinical trials in Australia. The vaccine is made up of S-trimer protein that resembles the coronavirus spike protein and hence triggers the immune system to produce antibodies. During the trials, one group will receive the vaccine combined with an adjuvant developed by GSK, which reduces the amount of proteins needed to create effective vaccines. Another group will get the vaccine with an adjuvant developed by Dynavax, combined with alum, which acts as a mild irritant to trigger the immune response. RBD dimer vaccine by Untitled, developed in collaboration with the Institute of Microbiology, Chinese Academy of Sciences. Untitled adjuvanted recombinant protein, RBD dimer vaccine is currently in Phase 1 clinical trial in China. For this vaccine, Chinese hamster ovary, CHO, cells were used to produce a modified form of the coronavirus spike protein that triggers a more pronounced immune response. CoVAX-19 by Vaccine Thai Limited and Meditox. CoVAX-19 is a vaccine candidate developed by Australian biotechnology company Vaccine Thai and a Korean pharma Meditox. It is under the first phase of clinical trials in Australia. This vaccine too contains modified form of the spike protein along with an adjuvant called Advax that enhances antibody and immune cell responses. CoVAC1 at Imperial College London. CoVAC1, developed by the Imperial College London, is currently undergoing Phase 1 clinical trials. This is a self-amplifying ribonucleic acid (siRNA) vaccine. The principle of this vaccine is similar to the mRNA vaccine. However, siRNA are able to make copies of themselves much faster and hence able to produce more proteins. CVN-CoV by CureVac. The CVN-CoV vaccine is undergoing Phase 1 clinical trial in multiple centers in Germany. The mRNA vaccine is developed by German pharma CureVac. mRNA vaccine by PLA Academy. Walvax Biotech. The People's Liberation Army, PLA, Academy of Military Sciences and Walvax Biotech have developed an mRNA vaccine. It is currently undergoing Phase 1 clinical trial in China. Apart from this, there are at least 129 known vaccine candidates all over the world currently at the preclinical stages of development.
Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.